Good morning, class. Today we are going to solve the exercises of personal letters. You know very well that we have discussed the format of personal letters and we have discussed some examples also in last two videos, and today we are going to solve or we are going to discuss the exercise of the personal letters that is given on page number 176 of your grammar book, and we shall try to solve the exercise. So see on the top first what is given. Vinay is living in a hostel. He wants to write a letter to his father requesting him to send him rupees 150 immediately to buy some books. Write this letter. Now first of all we must know that who is going to write the letter. It is Vinay, and he will write the letter, and he is living in a hostel. So the address on the top will be of any hostel. That is the personal address of Vinay. Then in salutation he will write a letter to his father. So dear father, ya papa, whatever he want to write, so both are correct. Then in the body of the letter he has to write that why he want the money, because in the letter the question is there that he want to request his father to send him rupees 150 immediately to buy some books. So this is the body of the letter. This all he will describe that why he want the money immediately. Okay, so let us see. I have one demo for you so that you can write yourself also, or you can see from here also. See on the top what is written. It is the address of Vinay. Letter, personal letter it is, and it is the address of any hostel you can see. Then the name of the city is there. Then date may be any. On the date he or she is going to write the letter, the same date should be there. Then the salutation is there, dear father. So when we are going to write any personal letter, first of all we write about ourselves that I am well here and hope the same for you. So it is the first line, it must be there in the letter. Then I am working hard for my monthly test and I want to purchase a book of, it may be any book, as I have written the book of English, so it may be any book of the choice, whatever he want to write. So I need one English book and GK book for the preparation, because these both books are very important for exam. So kindly send me rupees 150 immediately to purchase the books. And then downside the boy, he will write pay my regards to mother, and downside yours lovingly, your loving son. Two things are correct, and downside the name of the boy. So I think it is clear to you. You can write this also, or you can use your own ideas also. It is only a hint. Now see the another letter, that is on second number. See what is this. On second number it is given, Krishan Kumar, who owns a mango garden, wants to invite his cousin Vinay Kumar to spend a few days with him during the mango season. Write this letter. So Krishan Kumar is going to write letter to Vinay Kumar to spend a few days with him during the mango season. We know very well that mango season comes in June or July, you can say. So these are the month, and these are the months also of summer holidays. So Krishan Kumar wants to invite his cousin to spend a few days with him during the mango season. And definitely when mangoes will be there, they both will enjoy the mango, because mango is a very tasty and healthy fruit and very juicy also. And when Krishan Kumar is who owns a mango garden, so in this way he wants to write a letter. So the same as we have done in first letter, here also we will write first of all the address of Krishan Kumar. Any address you can write of your choice. So let us see this also. Yes. So see what I have planned for you. So first of all, its address, then date, then dear Vinay. Same here also. I am well here and hope for you, and I want to invite you during the mango season. You know very well that I own a big mango garden and it is the season of mango. The garden is full of fruits, and I hope you will come with your family and we both will enjoy the fruit together. Please do come with your family and I shall be waiting for you. Rest is fine. Your loving brother Krishan Kumar. So in this way you can write this letter also. So it is letter number 2. Now see letter number 3. See here. See. Write a letter to your friend telling him how you hurt yourself in a kitchen accident. Suppose you are Kanchan. So write a letter to your friend telling him how you hurt yourself in the kitchen accident, and suppose you are Kanchan. So Kanchan is going to write a letter to the friend that Kanchan has been hurt in a kitchen accident and not feeling well, or you can say that some days before I got hurt but now I am feeling okay. So in this way you can write this letter. So on the top it is the address of Kanchan. Then after that, after the address, date, and then salutation, dear friend. Or if you want to write any name, you can write that name also. See, just as I have written, you can write any name here. I am well here and hope the same for you. And today I want to tell you about a kitchen accident that happened with me 10 days before. So you can talk about any kitchen accident you want to tell. It may be the boiling water that fell on your feet. It may be any other that you got your finger cut by a sharp knife, or any other, means any mishappening that was not wanted but it happened with you. So that you can write, and any idea you want to write that you can do. You can write that mother was baking a cake and suddenly a ball of hot water fell on my feet. I got burnt and taken to the doctor. The doctor gave medicine and advised me to take rest, and now I am fine. So in this way also you can explain, or whatever idea you want to take, you can take the idea. Okay. Now you see it is number 4. The letter number 4 that is given in the exercise. See letter number 4. In letter number 4, Deepika wants to tell her aunt about her progress in her studies during the last year. Write this letter. So you have to write your progress of the last year progress you have to tell, so that you can tell the result of final exam also, or you can tell the result of your first term also. So same here also. First of all, Lata will write her address, then date, then dear aunt, I am well here and hope the same for you. Today I want to tell you about my progress report of term 1. So I got 95% marks. Whenever you are going to tell the progress report to anyone, it must be good. It should not be poor, because you are very much happy, you are very much excited, and you are giving a good news to someone. So it should be good. So good percentage is there. So I got 95% marks. My parents, friends and teachers congratulated me. And now I am working hard for my final exam. I hope to get above 95% in the final. My parents and teacher always encourage me to get success in life, and I hope you are glad to know about my progress report. And downside you will write that pay my regards to uncle and yours lovingly, Deepika. Okay. Now see, it is letter number 5. Write a letter. Okay. Letter number 5. Write a letter to your elder brother giving him some happy news, and suppose you are Naveen Chadha. You have to give some happy news to your brother. So as you have written letter number 4 that you have given the progress report to your aunt, in the same way you can give the happy news of getting 95% in your final exam to your brother. So this is also the happy news, and in both the letters you can use such type of things. Or you another news you can give, any good news you can give to your brother, that you have purchased a new bicycle, you have purchased, your parents have, your mother has purchased a new phone. So whatever happy news you want to give to your friend, you can give. And it's very much correct that on the top you will write down your address, then you will write the date, and then dear brother, today I want to give you one happy news that I got 95% marks in my final exam. I got first position, and I am very much happy, and my friends, parents and all the relatives, they are very much happy and they congratulated me. In this way you can write this letter also. Okay. Now see 6th one. Prem Lal wants to write a letter to his friend Anil telling him why he likes to keep a dog. Write this letter. So you have to write the letter that why you like to keep a dog. So in this letter you will tell the qualities of the dog. If you will tell the good qualities, only then you can keep the dog with you, because you like the dog. Dog is a faithful animal. He is a good friend also. You can play with him when you want, or he is your friend also when you are alone. So all these qualities of the dog you will tell, only then you will say that you want to keep a dog with you. And the same here also. First of all self address, then date, then salutation, and then you will write body of the letter, and in the downside subscription. Okay. Now 7 letter. Write a letter to your married sister telling her something about your new neighbor. Suppose you are Pankaj. Means your sister is not living with you. She got married and she is living somewhere else, and a new neighbor has joined your colony. A new neighbor is there in your neighborhood, and you want to tell your sister about the neighbor. You may tell about some good qualities, some bad qualities, about the nature, about the workplace, family. Means all the things you will tell about the neighbor to your sister. So again here, first your address of Pankaj, then date, then salutation, dear sister, then line, I am well here and hope the same for you. And after that you will write down the body of the letter. Means you will explain the neighbor that has come to live in your neighborhood, and downside you will write yours lovingly, Pankaj. And I hope the letter writing is very much clear to you and you are able to write all these letters. So please try them and write them in your English too. And if you feel any problem, 1 or 2 letters I have shown you, others you can do yourself. Okay? So it's bye for today.